Hey everybody, Tom here, and in this video we're going to go through the top 4 reasons why your string trimmer's line isn't feeding properly. For each problem, we'll provide links in the description to videos that will walk you through the repair process. Now let's get started. Problem number 1, springs. The springs keep pressure on the bump head cap and return the cap to its original position after you bump it, allowing the string to advance. To check the condition of the spring, remove the bump head cap and inspect. Replace if damaged. Problem number 2, caps. The cap allows you to feed more line when you tap it on the ground. If the cap is damaged or worn, it can malfunction, causing line not to advance. To inspect the cap, remove it and clean any debris. Replace if necessary. Problem number 3, spools. The spool houses the wound trimmer line located inside the trimmer's head. Make sure you're using the proper line thickness rated for your machine. Too thick or too thin, and you could end up with problems. Also make sure the line is wound properly. Problem number 4, trimmer heads. The trimmer head houses the spool, cap, and spring. If the trimmer's head is damaged badly enough from years of use, it can cause the parts to malfunction. To remove the trimmer head, insert a small screwdriver into the gearbox located above the trimmer's head. Rotate the head until the screwdriver is locked in place. Remove the head and replace it if damaged. Thanks for watching. Remember to check out our full repair videos for each of these problems in the description below, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos to help you finish the job.